Good morning, guys. This is Tony. I wanted to say Merry Christmas to y'all, and I'm sorry if anything else is too late or too early at the start of the day. But meanwhile, we got Northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle train number 22 coming in this morning. It's leading 68, and then there are two northbounds coming in after that, and then that's pretty much it for now. Here we go. There goes Northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle train number 22 going by, and stay tuned for still more northbounds. Have a great morning, y'all. Bye, and have a nice Christmas as well.